So again, consider the confined space. Think about what the team are doing. Are they going to get hot in there? I mean, the job they're doing, is it quite a manual process? Or is it just, there's maybe steam pipes, so they're going to get hot anyway? So just think of the heat, because that's one of the things that defines it as a confined space. Is there a potential for somebody to become unconscious due to an increase in body temperature? So another reason to keep your exits and your entrances all open, manholes open if you can, and to ventilate. Rotate a cruise and only go in as much as you need to be. Keep your cruise down to a minimum amount of people, that sort of thing. Just ways to alleviate the heat that can build up in a space. Alright, take care, bye.